In this video, I'm going to go over call settings. These particular call settings are set up in your profile. So the first thing you'll need to do is navigate to your profile settings. Once in your profile settings, you'll want to go to the phone settings tab. From there, you have two options. You can use the web phone, which makes calls through the computer using your computer browser. You'll either need to use your speaker on your computer or a headset, which is recommended. The other option is to use call forwarding. If you do call forwarding, this will divert all of your calls to your personal or business number, so you never miss a call again. All you'll do is click on call forwarding, enter that number, and choose save. When using call forwarding, when you make an outbound call, it will first dial to that number. Once you pick up, it'll then dial out to the number you're attempting to reach. If you get any inbound calls, it will automatically send those calls to the number specified here. Next, I'm going to go over local presence. Local presence enables callers to dial out to records using local area codes. This is great because prospects are more likely to answer unknown calls from a local number rather than a long-distance number. The first thing you'll need to do is be sure to purchase numbers in the Manage Call Settings page for all the area codes that you do business in. Then, you'll navigate to the Local Presence Settings page. Once there, you will choose those numbers in the states that they belong to. Be sure to choose a calling local presence number, as well as an SMS messaging local presence number. Next, you'll need to go to your Manage Users Settings page and be sure to toggle on that local presence toggle. Once this is toggled on, anytime you make an outbound call, the system will automatically pull the number that is nearest that area code that you are calling. If you have any questions about the web phone, call forwarding, or local presence, feel free to reach out to support@setshape.com.